Okay, so we are at Gulches now. Saved you all the driving and driving and driving. We're just here, right? Look around. There's people over there, and there's the check-in at the thing, and there's us. Yay!
I'm back.
Yeah, and I brought my camera assistant with me. Even though I'm the one holding the camera, I brought the camera assistant with me because she's way prettier than the last one that I had out here that had some weird handlebar mustache or something. Anyway, so I'm gonna hand over to my camera assistant and we gonna get it. Oh, I gotta put it in 4 low. There, now we gonna get it.
Now we're gonna get it?
Yeah, now we're all about getting it, huh?
There he is. He's leaving me. Hear about women disappearing? This is me next. Of course, you'll never hear this because I've got the camera. So here I am, here, all alone. And here, Marla's iPhone left behind. Yeah. I hear you, I watch. I was left behind too. It's just me and you. And the GoPro. not playing. Oops.
We're not playing oops.
We're playing in the woods today. And what's your name?
Jeannie Lee.
Jenny Lee. You got to check out the back of her truck here. This chick does what your chick wish she could.
Exactly.
And she's got it, man. She's having a lot of fun out here today. And
Got a little stuck.
yeah, what happened there?
We tested the mud and the kid didn't sink in the mud, so we thought the Jeep could make it. It was
You threw the kid in the mud first?
Yeah, and she didn't sink, so it was good. That's how you test the water.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Yeah, that's works.
And then they said, go fast. I didn't go fast at all. I was, bam!
Like a concrete wall.
Like a concrete wall.
All right, which is why the kid didn't sink.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah. And now it's time just to play in the mud.
That's gonna smell real good.
Yeah, that's why the creek. Yeah, we jump in the
That's when you
creek.
go down to the river.
Yes.
The river here. So were you all busted up in front before, or did you just do that? Yeah. Okay.
It was only $400 Jeep, you know.
A lot of fun.
Those are the best kind.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Now, we're going to have to get another toe strap and shoes, I think. Did you keep your shoes?
Their socks.
Oh.
I do not know how they are sinking. Hello.
Well, I guess I'll drive over this as long as we have...
I know. It's awful.
What was that noise I was worried about?
Oh yeah.
There you go. That's what gets you right.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
How you play it was right.
You're next, homie. Let's roll. I ain't going up that shit. I ain't doing it. I'd make it to right there, and then you'd have to give me a ride. Just since I'm making videos, what's your name, homie?
Brandon.
Brandon?
Yes.
I'm Chris.
Hey.
How you doing? You?
Michelle.
Michelle? Chris. Nice to meet you. We're Every man Overland. I'm one of them asshole YouTubers, right?
Well, thanks for coming out.
But yeah, I mean, you made it. I don't know. I wouldn't say you made it look easy, but you made it look possible. So
It's possible. Guys.
rock that shit.
It got easy at the top, though. He was like, "This is the hard part." I was like, "Is it really?"
Hey, what do you think?
You going up?
No.
All right. Well, me neither. Who could blame you? So come to Gulches and do shit cooler than I can do. That guy. Whew. It's a beautiful day. What is it? 70? I don't know if you can read that. It's
77.
77 degrees outside, but man, inside the truck it feels like, what's it feel like? 90? It's warm. Maybe it's just because I'm fat. So we just run into the guys from Rugged Trail Adventures, and even though I'm in an FJ, they ducked me. So look at me, I have a duck. Yay, I'm Jeeple. And I guess I'm number 24. I don't know if 24 has significance. I'd have to ask them. So here we sit. We're at the base of, that's Bad Mamma Jamma, right there, right? And that's a trail, I'm not going up that. And that is the Bad Mamma Jamma bypass, and that's where guy was jumping and hopping, and it took me a couple tries to make it. And so I was telling them, hey, you should come by to do this bypass thing. And I said, yeah, we're gonna come there next. When we ran into them, they were sitting stuck in the same mud puddle that I got stuck in the last time I was here. And they were, whatever, knuckle deep, all the way down in the mud. I don't know if they're having any fun with it, but it looks like they had just gotten unstuck when we found them. So they got unstuck and I got freshly ducked. So, it's a little windy in here. I'm gonna get kind of close to you like this so that you can hear me. It appears we broke something because we're driving straight and the steering wheel, not straight. Well, now we're going through a turn, but there you go. That is not a straight steering wheel. Now we gotta go home, figure out what we broke. Yay. See you in a bit. All right, so I'm at home. I'm in my office, and hopefully it's not too horribly echoey in here. We got home, I put Janky up on the floor jacks and took a look at everything, and it looks like we broke a right front ball joint, which is unfortunate. Nobody likes breaking anything, right? But we've been wheeling Janky for the last year on the factory upper control arms. So I knew it was just kind of a matter of time. I've just kind of been pushing a little bit, and now it looks like I need to order some, you know, nice tubular upper control arms. Maybe I'll do some total chaos and I'll see what's out there, who's got a sale going, what's going on. But that's it, not so bad. I mean, of all the things you could break, something that you kind of wanted to replace anyway, it's the way to go. So, all right, so I guess we're done for the day. Whatever, it's Father's Day, so we've got some other things going on that we got to get to. We just wanted to come out here, hadn't been out wheeling in, I don't know, in what, like 2 weeks now. Well, poor Marla. Marla hasn't been out wheeling
Since last fall.
yeah, since last year.
Yeah.
Last year. Unfortunately, we didn't find any spots to use the winch. I just chose instead to break axles. Or we didn't break anything. But we just didn't find anywhere good to get stuck. So maybe on the next trip we'll find some stuckage.
Purposely getting stuck is...
Yeah, purposefully getting stuck and having to winch yourself out when, like, you're alone, you don't have any people. It's pretty stupid. So we didn't do it. I mean, I like doing stupid things.
I was gonna say.
But I guess from here we're just gonna go ahead and get aired up, and then we're gonna head home. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Be all happy. Look, merch, we're working on merch. You like that? Shirts, yay!
You can get one too.
Well, one of these days you'll be able to get one too. I'm working on it. We're like that far away, right? But you see, I don't have one because maybe they don't have fat guy sizes. I don't know. You got anything else?
It's good to be back.
It's good to be back. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
I waited for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a